Hello, my name is Kyle Cobble. I am making this video on behalf of the nation of Khulna regarding our drone policy. Our drone policy has been broken up into three main parts. First, how the drones may be used in regards to our own citizens. Second, how drones may be used in regards to our borders. And finally, how our drones can be used in relation to foreign entities. We're a nation that takes great pride in protecting our people, first and foremost, above all else. And therefore, we will not use drones beyond generic surveillance against our own people. This means that our citizens will not be the subject of airstrikes that violate their own personal right as citizens. Second, we are a nation that fiercely protects our own sovereignty. So in regards to borders, we will use our drones to their maximum capability. This means that we will use them to continuously surveil the borders that we share with other countries, as well as our water borders. And should any foreign nation make any sort of incursions on our borders that we have not preemptively approved, we will eradicate. Finally, our drones will be used to actively monitor nations that we may be at war with, or nations that have made acts of aggression against us, in order to protect our sovereignty and ensure that no nation can violate our rights or harm our citizens. And in times of war, we will as well use the weapons capability of the drones to eradicate any threats that present themselves. Our stance on drones is they are our first line of defense. We want to protect our own citizens by, when possible, not engaging them in one-on-one war, but drones are not our only means of defending ourselves. We will use them sparingly as we can, because we want to show our honor by looking our enemies in the eyes when we are forced to engage with them. Our drones will widely be used for surveillance. As technology is created and improved, we will use them continuously to ensure that our rights are never violated in such a manner that we do not see it at least coming beforehand, allowing us to build up our capacity to defend ourselves. The nation of Khulna takes great pride in our ability to protect our citizens, protect our borders, and detect any and all oncoming threats that may present themselves from foreign entities that decide to engage in acts of aggression against our nation. Everybody now knows where Khulna stands.